A man has only 20 paise coins and 25 paise coins in his purse. If he has 50 coins in all, totaling rupees 11.25, how many coins of each kind does he have? Suppose you have, say, 4 coins of 20 paise. How much of money would you have? You would have 20 paise 4 times, so into 4. If now you have 14 coins of 20 paise, now how much of money would you have? You have 20 coins 14 times, so 20 into 14 paise. And now suppose I say you have X coins of 20 paise. Of 20 paise, how much of money would you have? You have 20 coins, how many times? X times. So the amount of money that you would have would be 20x. Same thing if I were to tell you you have 16 coins now of, say, 25 paise. How much of money would you have? You would have 25 coins 16 times. 25 into 16. Or if I were to tell you you had Y coins of 25 paise, how much of money would you have? And definitely you'll agree it is 25p. It is 25, not p, 25 into y. So 25 y paise. With the same logic, let us start doing the sum. So we have 2 kinds of coins here. One is a 20 paise coin and one is a 25 paise coin. So I'll say let the number of 20 paise coin be x and the number of 25 paise coins be y. Now it is said he has 50 coins in all, which means total coins are 50. Total number of coins equal to 50. So x coins of 20 paise plus y coins of 25. So equal to 50. This is my equation 1. There is something else he has said. He said that the total amount was 11.25. Now here we see he has x coins of 20 paise. Therefore amount in 20 paise will be 20x. And the next he's got y coins of 25 paise. So how much of money does he have in 25 paise? So amount in 25 paise will be 25y. And the total amount that he has is given as total amount is given as 11.25. Now remember, this is in rupees and this 20 paise, 25 paise, all are in paise. So we need to convert, this is in rupees, we need to convert into paise. So it will be 11.25 paise. So the total amount is 1125, which means 20x, which is in 20 paise, 25y, which is in 25 paise, will be equal to 1125. So the next equation is 20x plus 25y equal to 1125 paise. From here we can take common out. And here we will take 5 common out. So 20 divided by 5 will be 4x. 25 divided by 5 will be 5y. And 1125 divided by 5 will be 225. Now since we have taken 5 common out, we can ignore it. So the next equation is 4x plus 5y equal to 225. This is equation 2. So one equation was x plus y equal to 50, and the other equation was 4x plus 5y equal to 225. So this was equation 1 and equation 2, and we need to equate a coefficient. You will definitely agree my equation 1 I need to multiply, say multiplied by 4. So I have x plus y equal to 50, and I will now multiply it by 4 to make the coefficients equal. So I have 4x plus 4y equal to 200. So this is my equation 3. Now my coefficients are equal. The equations are ready for subtraction. So I have equation 3 and subtract equation 2. So 4x plus 4y equal to 200, and below I have 4x plus 5y equal to 225. I need to subtract, which means I need to change my signs. And then I have equated for x, so the x cuts off. So 4y minus 5y is minus 1y equal to minus 25. So y equal to 25. Now to find x, all I need to is to substitute. So put y equal to 25 in any one of the equations. That is x plus y equal to 50. That was my equation 1. So I have x plus 25 equal to 50 and x equal to 25. So he had 25 paise coins. The number of 25 paise coins were 25, and the 20 paise coins also were 25. Jamila sold a table and a chair for rupees 1050, thereby making a profit of 10% on the table and 25% on the chair. If she had taken a profit of 25% on the table and 10% on the chair, she would have got 1065. Find the cost price of each. Let us take up the first case. First, we know here the sum involves a table and a chair. So we'll say let cost price of table be equal to rupees x, and the cost price of the chair be equal to rupees y. Now here they say she makes 10% on the table. So let us just tackle that. She's making a profit of 10% on table. That means her profit on the table will be 10% of CP. So which means 10% of x. Now this will be the profit on her table. So the selling price of the table will be cost price plus the profit. Now we know the cost price, we have taken it as x, and the profit we saw here is 10x over 100. And if we take LCM here, we will get 100. This is 100x plus 10x, which is equal to 110x over 100. Remember, this is the selling price of the table. Now we need to go to the chair. Now on the chair, she's making a profit of 25%. So 25% on the chair, a profit of 25%, which means profit on chair equal to 25% of CP. Profit is always calculated on CP, on the cost price. So profit of chair will be equal to 25% of Y. So profit on chair will be equal to 25Y over 100. Now the SP on the chair, SP on chair will be the CP of the chair plus the profit. Now we saw the CP is Y and the profit is 25Y over 100. If you take your LCM, you get answer 125Y over 100. That is the SP or selling price of the chair. Now it's given to us that the total SP of the chair and the table was 1050. So selling price of table plus selling price of chair equal to 1050 rupees. And we already calculated earlier that the SP of the table was 110x over 100 and of the chair was 125y over 100, which is equal to 1050. Now the LCM here is 100, so we have 110x plus 125y equal to 1050. We take the 100 on the other side, so we have 110x plus 125y equal to 1050 into 100. So 110x plus 125y equal to 105000. We'll put this as equation 1. Second part of the sum, if she had made a profit of 25% on the table and 10% on the chair, she would have got 1065. Now let us do the calculation for the table. Now they said for the table she's making a profit of 25%. That means the profit on table will be equal to 25% of CP, which is 25%, and the CP of a table we have taken as X. So the profit on table equal to 25x over 100. Now the selling price of table will be cost price plus profit. We saw the cost price we have taken as X and the profit we see is 25x over 100. So the SP of the table will be, on taking LCM, 125x over 100. Now for the next part, he has made 10% on the chair. So for the chair, let's make the calculation now. They said 10% profit on chair, which means the profit on the chair now equal to 10% of CP of the chair, which is 10% CP is Y. So the profit for the chair equal to 10y over 100. Now SP of the chair will be CP plus profit, which means Y is the CP and the profit is 10y over 100. So this works out as 110y over 100. That is the SP of the chair. Now it is given to us the total SP in the second case equal to 1065 rupees, which means SP of table plus the selling price or SP of chair equal to 1065. And we saw that earlier the SP of the table was 125x over 100 and of the chair was 110y over 100, which is equal to 1065. And if we take the LCM, this is 100, so you have 125x plus 110y equal to 1065. And so 125x plus 110y equal to 1065 into 100. So 125x plus 110y, 106500. Here again I'm going, this will be my equation 2. So this was my equation 1, 110x plus 125y equal to 105, and my equation 2 was 125x plus 110y equal to 106500. Equation 1, equation 2. Now I'm going to add both these. So I'm going to do equation 1 plus equation 2. And on adding both, I will get here 235x plus 235y equals to, when you add this you get 211,500. I can take 235 common out. So first term divided by 235 will be x, second term divided by 235 will be y, and 211,500 divided by 235 becomes 900. Since I've taken 235 common out, I'll ignore it, so I'll do x plus y equal to 900. This becomes my equation 3. Now I take the same two equations and I'm going to subtract them. 110x plus 125y equal to 1050, and here 125x plus 110y equal to 106500. Now if I'm going to subtract, I need to change my signs. In the first case I added, so here I subtracted. So I have equation 1 minus equation 2. And on subtraction, I will get here minus 15x plus 15y equal to minus 1500. So I take 15 minus 15 common out. So divide by minus 15x, here divide by minus 15, this will be not plus, this will be minus. Minus by, divide by minus 15, this will be 100. So I have my next equation will be x minus y equal to 100. This is equation 4. Now both the equation 3 and 4, I will add them. Equation 3 plus equation 4. So I have x plus y equal to 900, and here x minus y equal to 100. This cancels out. 2x equal to 1000, x equal to 1000 over 2, and that is 500. Now to find the value of y, all I need is to substitute. So put x equal to 500 in x plus y equal to 900. So x is 500 plus y equal to 900. So y equal to 900 minus 500. So y equal to 400, which is the cost of the chair, and this was the cost of the table. Suzanne invested a certain amount of money in two schemes, A and B, which offers interest at a rate of 8% per annum and 9% per annum respectively. She received 1,860 as annual interest. However, had she interchanged the amount of investment in the two schemes, she would have received 20 more as annual interest. How much money did she invest in each scheme? So here Suzanne is investing in two schemes. We have scheme A and then we have scheme B. In scheme A, let the amount invested be X. So the amount invested, we call it the principal amount of P, let it be X rupees. And in scheme B, let the amount invested be Y. Here be Y rupees, we call this also principal. Now we have seen in scheme A, the rate of interest offered is 8%. So rate of interest is 8%. And for scheme B, the rate of interest is 9%. Now this sum deals with interest, and if you remember the formula for interest I equal to PRT over 100. So the interest gained in scheme A, we'll call it interest A, will be the principal here is X, the rate is 8, the time is 1 over 100. So the interest for scheme A will be 8x over 100. Similarly, we are going to find the interest for scheme B. We use the same formula, interest equal to principal into rate into time over 100. Now here we call it interest B. The amount of money he has put in the B scheme is Y. The rate of interest is 9. The time is annual, means 1 year over 100. So amount of money obtained for interest B is 9Y over 100. Now it is given to us that the total interest gained, the annual interest is 1,860, which means interest in A plus the interest in B is 1,860. In other words, it is 8x over 100 plus 9y over 100 equal to 1,860. So this, we had got the equation 8x over 100 interest for A scheme, 9y over 100 which was interest for the B scheme equal to 1,860. So we take LCM, so this is 100, so we have 8x plus 9y equal to 1,860, 8x plus 9y, we take the 100 on the other side, 1860 into 100, so 8x plus 9y, 1860, this I'll write as equation 1. In the second part of the sum, it is said that she interchanges the amount, which means scheme A, now she invests Y rupees, and in the scheme B she will invest X rupees. The rate of interest of course is the same, 8% in scheme A and 9% in scheme B. So we go ahead again and find the formula. We use interest equal to PRT over 100, and in this case we have interest A, our principal is Y, interest rate is 8, time is 1 over 100 which is 8y over 100. And here also for the same we do interest equal to PRT over 100, and the interest on B equal to principal, the rate is 9, time over 100, and that is 9x over 100. In the second part of the sum, if she interchanged the amount, she would have received 20 more. Means earlier she was receiving 1860. After interchanging the amount, she receives 20 more. So now she receives 1,880. So we can say now interest on A plus interest on the scheme B is 20 more. So 1,880. So here we know is 8y over 100 plus 9x over 100 equal to 1880. We take the LCM, we get 8y plus 9x over 100 equal to 1880 and 2 zeros. This we will write later. So we have now 8y plus 9x equal to 18000. This is my equation 2. Now I'll go ahead and add the equations. Equation 1 plus equation 2. One equation is 8x plus 9y equal to 186, and my second equation is 9x plus 8y equal to 188. I'm adding the equations. So on adding, I don't change the sign, so I get 17x plus 17y, and when you add up here you get 374000. I'll take 17 common out, so 17x over 17 is x, here y will remain, and 37400 over 17 will be 22,000. So now my equation is x plus y equal to 22,000, and that is my equation 3. Now the same two equations, I'm going to subtract them. That means 1 minus 2. And on subtracting the equations, one equation is 8x plus 9y equal to 186. So subtracting means I need to now change the sign. This is minus, minus, minus. So I'll get here minus x plus y equal to 2,000, minus 2,000. So on subtracting, we get the two equations. We've named this as equation 4. I will take equation 3 and 4 and add them up. So here's your equation 3 and 4, and we're going to add them up. On adding, we cancel here, so we have y and y is 2y. This will be 20,000. So y will be 20,000 over 2. Y will be 10,000. Then the amount invested in scheme B is 10,000. To find the amount invested in scheme A, all you need to do is put y equal to 10,000 in equation, say 3. So x plus y equal to 20,000. So x plus 20,000. So your x will then work out as 12,000. So in scheme A, he invests 12,000, while in scheme B, he invests 10,000.